I have our engine exhaust nozzles, and the first color we're going to apply is LP59 NATO Brown. This is more of a base color that we're going to use. So again, a 50-50 mix with Tamiya's lacquer thinner. Usual test spray squigglies. And I'll come on the interior first with our light misty spray. I think NATO Brown, even in other paint lines, like in my go-to acrylic favorites, Mission Models and Model Air, this color just works so well for that burning brown effect on either the interior or outside of these types of engine exhausts. Of course, one paint brand to the next will have slightly different shades of this brown, but for this Tomcat, this is more pre-shading than anything. So the specific tone, I don't think it really matters here. So just go slowly on your interior with the light misty coat. Now let's apply some light gray LP34 and a 50-50 mix again, you can see. So this color is, and I'm using this light gray for more the ceramic color inside the nozzles. You know, newer aircraft like the F-35, F-16, F-15, you see a hefty amount of that light gray ceramic color inside the entire exhaust. But as I was kind of looking at a lot of photos of these TF30 engines here, most of that color is burnt up with browns and blacks. So really all I want to do here is just kind of streak away inside these engines. Alright, back to the exterior, and I'm here with some LP76. This is a yellow brown and a 50-50 mix again. Just really, you know, I just really looked at the cap color, I think, to be honest. I just wanted a bleaching yellow-brown color for our NATO Brown. So I'm just going to focus here on the centers of our plates. Random patterns. Some spots lighter, some spots darker. Just kind of like a random modeling technique. Trying to avoid patterns on this pre-shading. Just really wanting this to be incredibly random. Concept here is to create variation in our aluminum color I'll be spraying next here. Alright, let's get some LP61. This is a metallic gray 50-50 mix here. Of course, lacquer thinners. We use this color to kind of get these tips of these engines, so when these exhaust nozzle plates are spread apart, you can kind of see the interior plates exposed a little bit on these tips. So this is kind of a darker metallic color. It'll be a good contrast to our aluminum color that we're going to get on top. Alrighty, for our final color here, so for that we're coming in here with some LP38 flat aluminum. And I want to show the mixing of this color because we absolutely want it very thin. So I have our Tamiya lacquer thinners in our color cup here, and usual amount up to my guideline. So I'm only going to do a drop or so in this thinner. Really thin mixture. Not just to have, you know, the control as to how much is laid down on the exhaust plates, but more so because, you know, these aluminum, silvers, and those types of shades almost always have such incredible coverage, and the smallest amount applied, you know, will certainly, you know, cover much of what we've done with, say, our pre-shading here and everything. And I do not want to cover up all of the work that we've done here so far. So this is all about getting balance in our aluminum color. Just a bit, really light touch here. Keeping those base colors for the most part. Very misty. Not killing off much of the pre-shading. You can kind of see how even just one blast of this stuff just kills things off pretty quickly. I'm just gonna spray, then check, spray a little more, then check, rinse and repeat until, and I think you can start to see the effect here, right? I mean, in different angles of light, some angles show more of the browns than the other angles.